Hi everyone and welcome to our ICE Assembly. I'm Sally.
I'm Anne-Marie.
And we are starting a new series today. This half term we're going to be thinking about emotions because all of us feel emotions pretty much every day. And so we're going to be having a look at 5 different emotions that you and I might experience. And we're going to be thinking about what those emotions are, how they make us feel, and then we're going to be thinking about what Christians think about those feelings and how God can help us as we experience those feelings in our lives.
We're going to be exploring ways that we can listen to those emotions and feelings and things that we can do to work with those emotions and feelings as well. And one of the ways that we want to do that is by having a weekly check-in. So when Sally and I sit down to record together, we're going to check in, see how each other are doing, and then we're going to give you guys space and time as well to just sit, have a listen to what's going on inside and see what emotions and feelings you have today as well. So, without further ado, let's go to our weekly check-in. Okay, so it is weekly check-in time. Sal, how are you feeling today?
I am very tired today because I didn't sleep very well last night. And normally that would mean I'd be really grouchy because I'd only had a couple of hours sleep. But when I came into the office, there was cake.
Yes.
So I was very happy about that. And I'm enjoying filming, so it's a good day.
That's good. A good way to have a positive outlook on feeling very sleepy.
Cake makes everything better.
It truly does.
Absolutely. How about you, Anne-Marie? How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I am feeling a little bit stressed today. I'm very busy, got lots of different things to do for home and for work and for church, so I'm feeling a little bit like my brain is
full.
all over the place. And today, for my lunch, I had a lovely salad with mango in it, but when I opened the lid, you know, sometimes when you open something, it goes everywhere, and like the mango fell.
It was tragic.
So I'm a bit sad about the mango, but I think I'll be okay because the rest of the salad was very good. But
That's good.
yeah, so that's how I'm feeling today.
Well, thank you for sharing your feelings, and we're going to give you guys a chance to think about how you're feeling as well. So we're going to put up a picture. Just take a moment to sit with yourself and look inside and say, how am I feeling today? However you're feeling today, I hope that you can share that with a good friend or a trusted adult, and maybe you might want to take the time to ask them how they're feeling as well. There are lots of changes around at this time of year. Some of you might be preparing to go into secondary school, and lots of you are going to be getting ready to go to different classes, have different teachers, different companions in your class. So that's a lot of different changes at school. And you might have changes going on at home as well. And this year has been a year full of changes. We've had so many in the ICE office getting used to working from home and working back in the office. It's just been changes all over the place. And you will have noticed during that time that change can bring up lots of different emotions. So there might be times when you felt nervous or afraid. There might be times when you felt excited or happy. And sometimes times when you felt sad and maybe felt angry. And probably you have felt an entire mix of those things. And you probably already know this, but how we feel can affect how we act.
That's right. So in the Bible it says this: above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. So that's kind of something we can see in action in our own lives, isn't it? When we feel happy, it feels easier to be kind to others and to help them out. But if we're feeling angry, it suddenly becomes so much harder, doesn't it? Or when we're full of excitement, it's really hard to sit still and focus on our schoolwork or on our reading. If we're really excited looking for something at the end of the day, it'd be really hard to concentrate, so that has an effect on us too. Or maybe when we're jealous of someone, it can make it really hard for us to celebrate with that person or to show them kindness or to help them. So we have to be really careful, don't we, to guard our hearts, so that we can be sure that those emotions that we feel don't overflow and make us do things that might hurt ourselves or the people around us.
Sometimes our emotions can be like a light breeze or a soft, drizzly rain. Something we just feel lightly. They don't affect us very much. And then, sometimes our emotions are like a big gale force wind or a flooded river. They can feel a bit out of control. We can feel swept away by what we're feeling. And when that happens, it can become difficult for us to see what those feelings really are, or what they might be trying to tell us.
In fact, I have a game today that will help us to think a little bit more about that. Okay, so the game that we're going to play today is called 3 Second Zoo. And it's very, very easy.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to try drawing some animals in 3 seconds. It sounds very, very difficult, and it kind of is, but that's what makes it fun. It's a challenge. So we'll take it in turns, saying the name of an animal.
Okay.
And we've got something to draw on and something to draw with. And in a minute, you guys will be able to join in. But here's an example of how the game works. So I might say, bear, ready, go. 3, 2, 1, stop. And that's how long you have to draw a bear. So it's very, very quick. We're not looking for like Leonardo da Vinci levels of art, because we definitely won't be getting it in 3 seconds. No. So if you want to join in with this game as well, all you need is something to draw on. We're using these laminated sheets to save on paper, and we've got our dry white pens as well so that we can wipe them clean. But all you need is something to draw on, like a whiteboard, some scrap paper. You can use pens, pencils, crayons, whatever you like, and we'll give you a pause screen in just a moment so you can go and find those bits in the classroom, and then you can come back and join in whenever you're ready. Okay, so here's the pause screen now. Okay, so whether you've got your bits to join in with the game or you're ready to just sit back and watch, here we go with 3 Second Zoo. So if you're joining in, get ready now. I'm going to say the first animal, and then we'll see how it goes, and then Sally, you'll choose the next animal for us so that no one has an unfair advantage.
We have not prepared any animals.
No, we have not. Okay, so let's start. I was going to say start simple, but nothing is really simple in 3 Second Zoo. But let's do chicken. Ready, go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh wow! Mine's a really angry chicken. Yours is, I like the beak.
Yeah, mine's got a really funny beak. So this is our 3 second chicken.
All right, Muggo.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Hands poised. I want you to draw a slug. Ready? Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! I don't know why it's dead, but it is. I like yours. Your antennae are amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it seems like a simple shape,
But it's not. Mine's a sausage with antennae.
Okay.
I wonder what yours look like if you're playing along.
Let's do. I've got it. You ready?
Yep.
3 second hedgehog. Ready? Go. 3, 2, 1.
It's amazing. It's a jelly. Mine's a hand.
They look quite similar in a way, don't
Well, they're
they?
spiky. Hedgehogs
Yeah.
are just spikes in happiness. That's basically a hedgehog. All right. Okay, I've got one.
Oh, okay.
You won't find it in a zoo.
Ooh.
But here's a clue. You'll find it in an aquarium.
Ooh.
Be prepared. Ready?
Yes.
3 second octopus. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. My pen's actually not working now because that's a really good octopus.
Yeah.
That's my favourite picture of the day so
1, 2,
far.
3, 4, 5. It's only got 5 legs. Maybe the other ones are behind it.
him. Yeah, he's swimming.
Okay, so that was round 1. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to do a slight twist now. We're still going to have 3 seconds to draw our animal, and we're still going to take turns.
Okay.
But then after that 3 seconds, we're going to have 7 more seconds to add to our drawing to see if we can make it any clearer or better.
Okay.
All right, so we'll have
Right.
3 seconds to start off with. We'll have a look at our drawings, and then we'll have 7 more seconds to add to the drawing.
Okay.
So make sure you've got your bits to draw and to draw on if you are joining in. If not, just sit back and enjoy the chaos. Okay, so are you ready for our second round of 3
Yes.
Second Zoo?
Yes.
This time, I would like for us to draw a crocodile. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Not bad.
Okay.
Now we're going to have 7 extra seconds.
Ooh, I feel decadent.
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey.
That's a really cool thing. Mine's got tentacles for mouths. But yeah.
There we go.
I love the teeth.
It's
So much clearer. I can tell it's a crocodile.
Yeah. So
This
it's
time.
still not a lot of time, but it gives you a little bit of extra time for some detail.
Okay, so I've got one. You ready?
Yes.
3-second sheep. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Sheep actually looks like a sheep.
Oh, yeah, I only got the front 2 legs, but there's time.
Right, so we've got 7 seconds. So ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I actually had more time than I needed. That's really good.
Yeah.
Mine's eating
So
grass
we've
in
done
the sun.
some background and some landscape. Very cool. Okay, let me see. All right, for this one, this is another animal that you won't really find in the zoo, but you will find in an aquarium. We're going to do a 3-second shark. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Wow, Sally's is great already.
Submarine.
Mine looks like Sally's crocodile alligator did last time. But that's okay because we've got
7
time now.
seconds.
So here is our 7 additional seconds. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's so much time.
Oh,
Yay! Oh, I love it.
Yeah, look at
That's a really
them.
happy shark.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Grand. It's so much clearer when you have more time.
Yeah.
Okay, last one. Okay, a 3-second bee. Bumblebee.
Ooh.
So ready? Go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey!
That's pretty much the same
Yeah,
at this point.
yeah.
But
Okay.
we have 7 more seconds. So ready?
Yeah.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
I sing a flat
That's really cool.
I really enjoy this game.
It's really fun game to play if you have some time that you need to wait around for and you've got something to draw with. You can play 3-second zoo with your family, with your friends. It's really, really easy and it gets you thinking of lots of different ways that you can draw. And wasn't it fun for our quick 3-second drawings? They weren't bad. They were really fun. It was a huge challenge because you can't do a lot in 3 seconds really. But isn't it great how those additional 7 seconds let us put more detail and bring out our animals with a little bit more character in at the end?
Sometimes when we feel emotions, they can happen so quickly that it can be hard to make sense of what they're trying to tell us. And that's when it's good to take some time and sit with those feelings and explore what it is exactly that we're feeling. And those feelings can help us then know what to do. Our sadness often shows us what's important to us. And sometimes our anger can show us that we really want to protect something. And our joy can show us what our values are.
So as we explore these different emotions and feelings through this series, try and think of them as signposts that can guide us. What is it that they're trying to tell us? And what can we do with these thoughts, feelings and emotions as well? And of course, every week we'll be looking to see how God can help us with all these different feelings and emotions that we have too. But for now, as we finish off our assembly together, let's have a time to reflect and to pray as we normally do. Let's think about how useful our emotions can be and how we can get better at listening to those emotions and working with them in positive ways. And you might like to pray with us too. Loving God, we thank you for all the different emotions we can have. Thank you that you've given us hearts and minds that can think and feel. Even when our emotions aren't always fun or happy things, we know that it's good to pay attention to our feelings.
thank you that you are a God who understands us no matter what we're feeling. Amen.